Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd do something a little different. A couple of weeks ago I was watching some hobby machining videos, and one of the places I stop, one of the channels, is D's Workshop. The guy is fantastic with some of the projects he has done. But he was doing a video on starting a sticker board. So I watched the video, and he even mentioned my name, Glenn, now on YouTube. And I started thinking, I have a sticker, and maybe I should start a sticker board. Now he started one. He's got a huge one. It looks like it's 2 foot by 5 foot, something like that. I'm not sure the measurements, but it's big. And he put it up in the video, and it really looked good. So afterwards, after I watched the video, I emailed him and asked him if I could send him one of my stickers. Well, of course he said yes. And he's a nice guy. And I asked him if I could have one of his. And he sent me one. Mine is a little dorky. His is awesome. Let me show you this. This is D's Workshop sticker. It's beautiful. Now, here's mine. Glenn now on YouTube. But I thought, like I said, I was going to start a sticker board. Now, I'm not going to start one that's as big as his or a lot of different guys. In fact, mine is going to be pretty small. I'm going to hang it up on that wall over there. But what it is this. It's a bulletin board. And I thought I would use like pins and just pin them on. And as I grow, I can get bigger and bigger bulletin boards, if it grows. So, like I said, I thought I'd tear that down. I wanted to move, what I should say, not tear it down, but I want to move one of my framed. What I want to do is move that one. What that is slide rules, calculators from back in the day. Some Gurney and Trekker, Milwaukee calculators, a few different ones. Let me show you what it looks like, and let me start measuring up how to measure this thing and put it up. Let's do that. Here's the one I'm going to take down. Here's my favorite slide rule right there. Calculator. Chip volume, speeds and feeds calculator from Gurney and Trekker, Milwaukee machine tools. I love that thing. I'll end up putting it somewhere else, but I just hang these things up with a thumbtack or a tack of some sort. It's for bulletin boards. This one has 2 slotted holes, but these things fit right in here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put those in there. I don't think you could see them. I kind of was over here and I kind of put some marks on here, and I took my level and put some level lines on it. But it shouldn't be that hard. One's in there, and I lost the other one. Here they are. I have a whole pile of these things. He really did a good job. These I'm talking about. He screwed that thing right to the wall. It ain't never coming down. I mean, on its own. And he did that so he could bring it along if he ever moved. Let's see if this thing is level. Yes, it is. Let me go get the stickers. Now, I only have two. I have mine and I have Dee's workshop. Now, I told him he was going to be the first one on my board, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to give him front and center right here. Sorry, Dees, I'm going to have to poke a hole in here. And there it is, my first one. Woo! I'm hoping that other people will send me their stickers. All you guys that are doing hobby machining and have some stickers, I'd be honored to get one of your stickers. I will put it on this board, and as it grows, I'll just make this whole wall a sticker wall, of course, on a bulletin board. And let me put mine right under Dee's. There it is. Dee's Workshop, Hobby Machining, and Glenn Now on YouTube. Dee's gave me this idea. I've seen a lot of guys with hobby machining channels that collect these, and I always thought about doing it. That's how I got this a while back, probably a year ago. I had this sticker made, a few of them, and I wasn't sure if anyone would send me their sticker, but I asked Dee's and he did that. So this is the beginning of my sticker board, and I'm proud of the 2 stickers I have on it. So that's going to be the end of my quick sticker board video for this week. And I guess this video is coming to an end, so I'm going to have to say, until next time, enjoy.